Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at the REOLINK Argus PT with solar panel. It is a wireless outdoor security camera. REOLINK was nice enough to send this item to me for free so that I could make a video for you to show you all the features of this camera. They were also nice enough to give me a promo code. If you want to save a little money, you decide this camera is for you, there will be a link down below with that promo code if you're interested. Now, I was really happy when REOLINK offered to send me this camera because about a year ago, we did a video on another one of their cameras and I still use it today. I've been really happy with it, so I'm hoping to get similar results from the Argus PT. Now, this is bundled with the solar panel. If you want, you can just buy the camera itself, or you could buy the solar panel separately because it works on a few of their other cameras. The really cool thing about the Argus PT is you actually mount it to this bracket upside down, and you can tilt and pan. So you can move the camera all over the place. It uses an infrared motion sensor, which is essential for any type of security camera or alert system, because a regular motion detection, leaves, branches moving in the wind, you get all sorts of false alarms. This is going to detect heat, so people, cars, animals, those are the kind of things you're going to be alerted to. And if you have a security camera, those are probably typically the things that you want to be alerted about. So, speaking of alerts, they have an app that you can download on your phone. You can also download a program onto your computer. With the app, you can view from it, view what the camera is looking at from it. You can set up app notifications. You can get email notifications. It also has cloud storage. And you can also use an SD card. Right there, you see the little door for that. And there's where the micro SD card goes. So you can record directly to it. Now, what I really love about the solar panel is it plugs directly into the camera, keeps it charged. You don't have to worry about wiring, whether it's running wires for a network or just the power wires. It makes it super simple to install anywhere. And if you decide to change the location of the camera, it's as easy as just moving the camera itself in the solar panel. You don't have to worry about the hassle of, oh, I just wired this whole thing into this location, now it's stuck here. Put it wherever it is most beneficial for you. And also, because it works off motion detection, it is not designed for 24/7 recording. It is designed to record when motion is detected. So I have found, this is the exact same solar panel that they sent me with the other camera, and I have never once had the camera battery go dead with just normal use, notifying me when someone arrives at the house or something like that. Even me just viewing it from my phone from some other location to see, make sure everything's good at the house. Just those little points of viewing, I've never had a problem with the battery, so really happy with that. Now, obviously, this gets mounted upside down. You can see here is the little screw hole. It's like a tripod mount where it goes to this bracket. It does come with the hardware. You also get an antenna. Screws in right there. If you're not in a location with wireless internet or have access to a wireless internet connection, it'll still save to the SD card. It's just you won't be able to do the live viewing. You'll have to view from the SD card because you don't have an internet connection. It also does come with a charge cable. If you don't want to use the solar panel, you can charge it with just a regular micro USB cable. However, kind of inconvenient. See, for now, just plugged into a wall charger. You get a little light that comes on when it's charging. Also, the other thing is you do have a power switch behind that door there. Obviously, all these seals because it is waterproof, which is a nice extra addition, this power switch, because the other camera they sent me did not have one. So anytime there's a charge to the battery, it's automatically on. And in the box, you also get the quick start guide instructions and a sticker for 24-hour video surveillance. First thing we need to do is make sure this thing's all charged up and connect it to the app on our phone. It's the REOLINK app. We'll do that next. I'll show you just how easy it is to add a new camera to the REOLINK app. See, we had the little plus sign up here to add a camera. Now it wants to scan the QR code that is on the camera itself, right on the bottom here. Need to configure our Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi not configured. And we don't want to forget to turn the camera on. There we go.
Camera has been started up. Please run REOLINK app, add the camera, and set it up.
We heard the voice prompt.
Please run REOLINK app, add the camera, and set it up.
I have to add my password.
Please run REOLINK app, add the camera, and set it up.
Now the camera is going to scan this QR code here.
Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to REOLINK. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to REOLINK.
Always click next. Oh, I've heard the voice prompt. Next. Connection to the router succeeded. We heard that. Next. So we have to create a login and password for REOLINK. Name the device. It's going to name mine Argus PT. Obviously, if you had it mounted in a specific location, maybe name it that. You can always change it later. Some hints on where and how to mount it. And use now. Got her all set up. Solar panel. Camera mounted there. Antenna. You can see the cable has a little boot on it for waterproofness. And we're aiming right out here, so we'll see if anyone comes down the driveway. Taking a look at the app, you can see the camera's connected out at the driveway. You can make it full screen. You can pause, you can turn the sound on and off, you can take a snapshot. Bam! Snapshot. You can record video, so we're now recording. If we want to look at playbacks, files that have been saved, you can see it goes by the date and time. You can click on any file. Here with this one, you can see UPS is at my house, delivering car parts. You can exit out of the playbacks. Now you got this PTZ. Well, it's got two-way talk. We can talk to that side, although there's no one over there. PTZ in the middle. That's how we move the camera. So you see this little guy here. Hold it to the right. We're going to the right. Going back to the left. To the left, to the left. We got the garage, got the new portable garage back there. We can go up. We can go down. Very cool. Just take a look getting used to. Oh man, we're spinning in circles now. Alright, we're basically back in position. I want to show you guys some footage from the camera itself. Files directly from the camera. Now when you're at the playback thing, real quick. When you're looking at your videos, you can save them. See the little down arrow, download arrow there? If you click that, you can actually save the videos from your phone. or to your phone from the camera. So let's look at some of those files that I got. So here's the first clip. We'll do a few minutes of different clips. You'll notice that the motion sensor didn't activate until the lady was actually already getting out of that FedEx truck. I think that's the same clip that we saw earlier.
Like I said, it's all about like the pillow.
Now when you go into the settings for the REOLINK app, it has like a slider bar where you can adjust the sensitivity of the motion sensor, and this was at the default value. There's another FedEx delivery clip that comes up later in the video where I had adjusted it all the way up, and you can kind of see the difference of when it was activated once the slider was turned all the way up. Now one of the things they tell you when mounting this camera is that you want the motion to be coming across the face of the camera rather than directly at it. And when I initially put it here, I thought the portion of the driveway and the far portion there would be good for things coming across to activate it there. Then they would already be rolling by the time they got closer. But obviously for some stuff it didn't do that until I turned up the sensitivity. And that other leg of the driveway is maybe 75 feet away, to give you a rough idea. But turning up that sensitivity definitely helped. However, I don't know if you'd really call them false alarms, but you end up getting files on the camera and you have no idea what they were. You look at it and there's absolutely nothing there. And it could be just, you know, false alarm, or I don't know how sensitive. When you turn it all the way up, like just an animal running by, a chipmunk or a bird flying by, I don't know how sensitive it could possibly be, and you just don't see what the heck flew by. Here's still at the default setting. Later you're going to see a video and it's going to look blank and you're going to think, what the heck was that? Well, there was a snake in the driveway. You'll see it just into the front and right of my truck. So there you go, guys. I'll let these clips roll. If you are interested in this REOLINK camera, there is a link down below. If you're watching it relatively soon after the video is posted, there is a promo code for you to use. If they have future promo codes, I will definitely update that link, even if you are watching it in the distant future. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for another subscriber. I'll see you guys next time. already in the garage. He's been coming over early in the morning, but I told him I was going to look at my place. I didn't really get a chance to